Hello, welcome to Port Orleans Riverside. Now I am doing this room tour at the end of our stay, so apologies for the room not being made up, but we had a very long day of traveling the day we arrived, and quite honestly we just all collapsed and that went to sleep. That was it. So let me show you around. So this is, it's actually a pool view room, but we booked a standard room in the mansion section. We are in the Acadia building. This is room 8072. It is a corner room, and let me turn the camera around and I will show you. So this is, as I say, the corner room. So because it's a corner room, it has two windows here. Although it's a pool view, because we're on the ground floor, I wouldn't have said you get much of a pool view, but it's super convenient for getting to the pool. Literally like a minute walk away at most from one of the smaller pools. So we've got the two queen size beds here. Each of them has separately controlled individual lights. There's also a light in the fan, and those are both separately controlled. And then we also have the main light here, which is controlled by a switch on the door. We had 2 seats, table. We then had coffee making facilities. Now, this basically produces hot water, so you can make tea or coffee. They provide both tea and coffee bags. Then over here, important thing, got 3 plugs if you exclude the one from the coffee, 2 standard USBs, 3 drawers. We then have the cooler right here. Oh, I'll take my apple slices. So they do technically describe that as a cooler, not a fridge. Over by the telephone, we've got 2 further plug sockets plus 2 USB ports. And here you can see that separate control for the fan light. Some gorgeous artwork on the walls. We've actually got the ferry boat over to the Magic Kingdom there, which is very cute. Got some hooks and a shelf. Little ottoman there. And what I would say is it would have been really helpful on this corner right here to have some hooks, because there was just dead space. Also underneath the beds, there's room to store suitcases. We didn't really have a chance to do that. Got hairdryer, there were loads of spare towels. We had plenty of towels in the room. Extra pillow and blanket, ironing board, plenty of hanging space. A little safe here, which was room enough for, I think, 2 computers, an iPad, and important documents. And then have the bathroom. Now, I have to say, I really liked the design of this. We didn't use the bath per se, but we did all use the shower. What I love about this is the curtain rail comes out, so you don't get the shower curtain sticking to you. It's got the current standard H2O plus refillable toiletries as well. Not the most powerful shower in the world, but did the job. And that is the shower curtain there. Very pretty. And then we've got the hello mirror there. Loads of mirrors. More me. More mirror. And we've got further plug sockets here. Now this is my favourite curtain in the whole room. I'll show you this quickly. Because it is Tiana and Naveen as a frog, which was really cute and fits with the theme of the resort. We did have air conditioning control here, air conditioning unit over there. Did not turn off in the middle of the night, only turned off when it hit the required temperature. And that was about it. So that was our room at Port Orleans Riverside. So thank you for watching this room tour. Feel free to check out more videos, more room tours of Disney and not Disney as well. And we'll see you soon.